Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring the iPhone 11 is unlocked and has at least 20% charge so it won't sleep mid-change. Open Settings, tap Wallpaper, and you'll see your current lock and home screen images. Once there, tap Choose a new wallpaper to view options, but to remove, first note which screen is set. Make sure to have a replacement or a plain color photo ready in Photos, because iOS replaces rather than leaves a blank image. You tap the preview of the lock or home screen to access change controls. iOS does not delete wallpaper files. Instead, you replace them, so choose a photo that acts like none, such as a plain black or white image in Photos, or pick the default dynamic or stills. Once selected, tap Set and decide lock screen, home screen, or both. This replaces the visible wallpaper immediately. If you want the simplest look, use a single color image, sized for iPhone 11. You finish by confirming the change. Lock the phone and check both screens to verify the new image displays correctly. If the photo is cropped or zoomed oddly, reopen Photos, tap Edit, adjust crop or orientation, then reapply using Set. Use the zoom out gesture on the preview to fit. If the wallpaper won't change, restart the iPhone, and if needed, go to Settings, right arrow General, right arrow Reset all settings as a last resort. This keeps data, but resets system settings, which often clears stubborn wallpaper issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.